Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to add new tasks on ClickUp. Maybe you want to organize your work or personal responsibilities to improve your productivity and task completion. So today I'm going to show you how to add new tasks on ClickUp. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open the ClickUp application and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you will be taken to the home page. In this page, to add a new task, simply tap on this Add button at the bottom right side of the screen. A new window will appear, and here, enter all the details of your new task. First, enter the task name. Next, you can add a description of the task. Below, you can set the due date for this task. You can also add subtasks or attach a file for this task. Once you are done entering all the task details, simply tap on this Create button to generate the new task. After that, you now have successfully added a brand new task to ClickUp. Whether it is for work or personal stuff, it is now all organized in the application. There you go. If you wanted to know how to add new tasks on ClickUp, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to add new tasks on ClickUp, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.